We took a 2 mile walk today. It was our normal 2 mile walk. I decided I was going to bring along the camera and the lens that we have, one of the ones that I might be using when we go to Antarctica. This is going to be colder, maybe not a lot colder, but it's going to be colder than what we expect to see in Antarctica. So I thought this would be a good test to make sure that everything works. It was about 6 degrees out. I think right before we left, at one point it was registering -3 degrees F, so it was mighty cold. So I figured that this would be a great test for it. We didn't record the entire walk, but we just picked a few things where the snow was blowing pretty good, or just showed something cool in the background. Yes, you did see me earlier in this video standing in the snow in my bare feet. Regardless of how cold it is outside, I do like the cold, so I do kind of enjoy it. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a like and please consider subscribing.